Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be talking about the CreativeBloq website for the Adaptive Learning Tool and Resource tutorial. I chose CreativeBloq due to my background in technology and design. I currently work for higher education now, but I still use design nearly every day when updating manuals or developing learning content for our employees. So to begin, users can set up an account by selecting the sign in button up on the top right hand corner. This is going to take users to the login page where you can sign in with Google. You can select the sign up. You can actually sign in under your sign in with your email and create a password. I'm going to go ahead and select Google. I've signed in already. So it connected with my Google account, which then signs me into the website. After signing in, you're taken to the home page of the website. The top bar houses titles of articles under different subjects. You can see here, users can read more about design, art, 3D, they can explore technology a little bit more, and then different resources. There's magazines, there's events that come up, and of course there's more over here with web design, photography. I'm going to go ahead and select design, since that's the area I focus on the most. There are options for, on this page, each of these are blogs that you can read more about design, but there are options down here for software, graphic design, and product design. Let's see, so you can see under the product design, there is an option down here for, actually let me go back. There's an option down here for Illustrator. How to use Adobe Illustrator. It's a step-by-step tutorial and guide for it. So this is great because when teaching design, graphic design, especially to high school students, you want to cover all the basics, the main basics, and then all the different software available for creation. So that's a great tutorial to go into. Another option for technology and graphic design instructors is seen, you can see it here. I'm going to click the home page. Actually, wait, I'm going to go under more, the creative inspiration page. This gives a lot more information on where they can find infographics, advertising, digital creation, and it really just gives instructors ample resources for teaching their students the basics of development and design. So I'll just take a look here. There's, of course, we've got the architecture they could dive into, digital crafting, fashion, infographics. I went into this one a little bit more for the infographics section. I thought it was really great in that it laid out different tutorials within this, how to build a human. It talks about how they did this, laying out the different cycles here, the world's most popular artists. So just talking about principles of design through that. So for myself, I plan to use this resource in my own teaching and instructional design by utilizing the recommendations to help me with laying out content effectively, and by implementing the principles of design within learning content. You know, design is all about catching people's attention, and the best way for me to grow in my personal development and design is to learn from those who are already in the field and offering sound advice for creative solutions. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day.